Hey, so in this video, I'm going to talk about our browser extension, which is XenettGO. To download the browser extension, you simply have to go to this URL. It says go.xenett.com. And then once you go there, it's going to take you to Chrome Web Store. And then you just can download it from there. It should work with all the browsers that are supported with Chromium. So it is it includes Google Chrome, Brave, Microsoft Edge. It would not work if you are using Firefox or Safari. Now, once you have installed the browser extension, this is how it's going to help you. Now, whenever you log into QuickBooks file or Zero file, now you're going to start seeing a menu bar. Now, this is a Xenett menu bar. So all we are trying to do is that while you are working inside QuickBooks, let's just say you are working on bank transactions, and then very next second you wanted to quickly pull up questions that you asked to your client from Xenett. Now what you do, just simply click on questions. That will load Xenett's client questions module inside that QuickBooks file, right? Now, let's just say very next second you wanted to do something with your QuickBooks vendors. Now you are on QuickBooks vendor list and you now wanted to see something on client dashboard in Xenett. You just simply click on dashboard, right? So again, it will load the client dashboard from Xenett. So all we are trying to do here is that Xenett is being embedded inside your QuickBooks file. So while you are already working on that client in QuickBooks, you can easily access all the information related to that client from Xenett. So it's pretty seamless navigation between both the system. You don't even feel like you are actually using two different applications. It's just the one application that you're using. So that's a major use case that we have with the extension. Now let me talk about how exactly it can help you also. So inside Xenett, we are pulling some information directly from QuickBooks. And in order for us to get that information, you must need to install the browser extension. Example, the reconciliation status. Right now, the information was not available. Uh, but now, since I have installed the browser extension, I'm just going to refresh it. And now you will see that, okay, let me just show you. So now you can see the reconciliation status information is available here, right? So this is what happens. There are certain limitations with QuickBooks API. We cannot really pull this reconciliation information using the API. And that is why this browser extension is helping us to get that information. So there are other information like that, which we are pulling directly through extension. So that is why it's very, very important for you guys to download this browser extension. All right, I hope you guys find it helpful.